Welcome back everyone to video number 2 in the Cancun.com competition.
In this video we would like to share our Dutch New Year's Eve traditions with you. As in every country, it starts off with the preparations. One of the main traditions in the Netherlands is to make oliebollen. They're basically balls of dough with preferably raisins in them, and with some powdered sugar. They're amazing.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Stefan,
What?
did you know that every Dutchman eats 8 oliebollen a
8?
year? 8, yeah.
Only 8?
Yeah, only 8.
That's-
How many did you have?
I don't know. At least 10. Yeah, they're really delicious. We had some Mexican food and then it's time for a party, of course.
Yeah.
Another thing that's really Dutch to do is going everywhere by bike. So we're going to a New Year's party right now. Let's go!
Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering.
Schouders iets vet hoog, man.
Paint the skies, all because of you.
Happy New Year! So we've shown you a couple of our traditions, but we're not done. It's the 1st of January today, and today we have the craziest tradition of them all.
Yeah. Neither of us have ever participated in this tradition
No.
because it's crazy and it doesn't sound like fun, and I'm the loser who's gotta do it.
She has to do it, so I'm excited. Yes, let's go!
I'm going to do a New Year's dive. Okay, today there are 2 dives here in Flushing. One is for charity, it's a bit smaller. I'm going to do that one. There's a bigger one in about an hour, which is also a lot of fun, but this one is for charity, so that's what we do. It's a charity organization that helps children who have mothers with breast cancer.
Almost ready.
My feet, they're feeling
I can imagine. So that was really, really awesome.
and really, really cold.
Yeah, I think so. I wouldn't know. Thank you for watching.
And thank you, Cancun.com and the Cancun Tourism Board for enabling us to participate in this amazing adventure.
And we hope to see you in our next video. Later!